Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Benefits of drinking fenugreek or methi water. You have been working out regularly at the gym but not getting the desired result. In case you are still not able to lose weight despite hours of intense workouts and a strict calorie restricted diet, you would want to turn to natural home remedies that will improve your health in various forms. Fortunately, there are a number of herbs and spices that can help boost digestion and improve metabolism, which in turn may accelerate weight loss. Fenugreek or methi in Hindi is a potent natural ingredient that triggers the burning of fat from the belly and other adipose tissues. It is said that drinking warm water mixed with fenugreek seeds or powder can reduce weight quickly. Goes by the botanical name Trigonella phonem gracem and belongs to the family Fabaceae. Fenugreek has a myriad of health benefits. Both the seeds and leaves of fenugreek used widely across the globe owing to its medicinal properties. The spice is particularly popular in India and is being extensively used in culinary as well as in medicinal purposes. Aside from enhancing weight loss, methi is famous for its ability to lower cholesterol levels, protect the heart, control diabetes, and treat stomach disorders. The spice can also help improve lactation in nursing mothers. Fenugreek is a rich source of many beneficial vitamins and minerals such as iron, magnesium, manganese, copper, vitamin B6, protein, and dietary fiber. It also contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Most of the health benefits of fenugreek are credited to the presence of saponins and fibers in it. Due to its high-quality fiber content, fenugreek helps in digestion and preventing constipation. Galactomannan, a water-soluble fiber found in fenugreek seeds, curbs your appetite by enhancing the feeling of fullness, which helps in weight management. Galactomannan also increases the body's metabolism, which boosts fat burning as well as overall health. How to use fenugreek to lose weight? If you are really serious about slimming down, you should include methi in your daily diet. It can be used in many ways, including its leaves and seeds. Fenugreek seeds can be consumed as whole or can be used in powdered form as a flavoring agent in dishes. Methi powder can also be used to make a healthy tea. Drinking warm fenugreek water is an effective way to reduce weight. This amazing recipe is simple and can be prepared quickly. Firstly, roast some fenugreek seeds in a pan. Crush the seeds using a blender or mortar to make a fine powder. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder to a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach every morning to yield results in less than a month. A word of caution. Fenugreek is considered safe and is widely used as a great tonic for various health benefits. However, the herb or spice is not recommended during pregnancy as it may cause miscarriage because of its strong effect on the female reproductive system. Moreover, the content, including the suggestions, is purely for educational purposes only and should not be construed as professional medical advice. Hope this video will be helpful for all the viewers. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.